Hey y'all, it's Marissa Ray here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all 6 different hairstyles that I love to do with my knotless box braids. I've already filmed a basically morning time and nighttime routine on how I maintain these knotless braids. I've had them up for 2 weeks, so check the little thingy up here to see that video, and I'll also leave the link down below in the description box. And also for y'all who are wanting to know how I did my knotless braids and how I prepped my hair for the knotless braids, I have 2 separate videos on that too, so that'll be down below in the description box as well. So the very first style is literally how I have my hair now. Very simple, very easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, middle part, straight down the middle, honey. Straight down the middle, honey. That's all you got. Literally. Probably one of my favorites because it's simple. You don't have to do too much to it, you know. Just here. Oh, and by the way, I do have the little curly ends on my braids. Super cute, super adorbs, right? That's it. That's all. None more, none less. This is it. Okay? Okay, number 2 is going to be very easy as well, and we have a side part. Very easy, y'all. I'm keeping it simple in the beginning, then I have some cute fun hairstyles that y'all gonna see. Okay, so second one is just a side part. So you know, you got your baby hairs done or whatever, then you just swoop your hair right over to the side. You know, if you want, like say once your hair starts to get a little frizzy, add your little foam mousse and all that little good stuff, you know, to make sure your edges and stuff look good. But yeah, this is the second style. Okay, after the side part, we're going to do a middle part with 2 ponytails. I mean, yeah, hold on. Okay, so basically, I'm just going to take half of this here and just put it up. This is style number 3. I like this because it reminds me kind of a kid. And y'all know I'm a big kid at heart, so yeah, this is number 3. Super cute and fun. Number 4 is fun, so it's a cute top knot bun. Still need your scrunchie for this one. I'm gonna tilt my hair over like that. So you got your bun in position. I got your hair in position. Pull it around. Make sure it's in there good. Not always easy, but you can do it. Oh, okay, that one broke. So originally, oh, I have a bigger scrunchie here. Right here. Originally, I was going to show y'all just a bun, but now I think I want to do just a basic ponytail because those are always cute too. You can either leave your little scrunchie showing, or you can wrap the braided hair around it so that it like covers the scrunchie. But if you have a cute scrunchie, use that because that'll be super cute. Okay, and then what I like to do is, like, see how the back is kind of like loose? Pull those braids up, not too tight to where you're hurting yourself, but you know, just pull them up and through so that it's not loose in the back. Now the ponytail is an easy transition into the bun. So what I'm gonna do is pull some of this hair forward. Boom. Make sure my braids are up how they should be in the back, not too tight. So I'm gonna take the ponytail, wrap it, kind of just wrap it whichever direction you're comfortable with, and then, you know, do a bun. Make it look as neat as it can and as cute as you can do it, because buns are strange. They don't always come out how you think they should. So it's literally like, sometimes you have good bun days, sometimes you have bad bun days, but all in all, you have a day. And then just tuck that hair under there. Try to make it like sit up some kind of way. I don't know. I don't care for it to be perfect. Then I try to pull little curls out here and there, like that. You know, whatever. Whatever schmever. Pull little curls out, and you know. So you have that little curl in the back. You have this little curl. If you need to, use some bobby pins and hairpins. So I have both kinds. I have the wide pins and the closed ones. And you know, just use it how you need it. With your little curls out, your little bun, like that. I forgot I didn't have my earrings on this whole time. So I'm gonna put my earrings on because you can't have no bun without no hoops. Okay? Now the last style is the most complicated, but super cute. So I'm basically gonna do like a swoop and a ponytail. So I'm gonna take the front of the hair, a couple pieces, like here. Doesn't have to be too many. Gosh. Just to where it fills in spots, basically. That should be enough, like that. I'm gonna take these first, actually. Hold on, I'm tripping. I have to do the ponytail first. So we're just gonna leave that there. Do the ponytail first. So pull it up and leave these pieces of hairs out. Now that the ponytail is there, pull the braids. Make sure you have your bobby pins handy. And just pull them right above my eyebrow, basically. Like this. And I'm gonna still pin it to the back of my head. So, oh. I'm gonna pull this a little bit so it's not too tight. There we go. And then I'm just gonna literally pin it to the back. So it's right here. I'm gonna pin it there using several bobby pins. And careful, you don't want to pull your hair out. or several hairpins, I should say, because these are the hairpins. And then after that, I'm just gonna wrap the hair upward like this, and then wrap it around the ponytail so that it covers the ponytail holder. And then you're going to use another bobby pin or hairpin to secure it up there. Boom. Now you got you a cute little ponytail, but not just a regular ponytail, a fancy ponytail, okay? Boom. This is the final style. Was that 6? I think that was 6. I did, what did I do? I did the I did a middle part, side part, basic. I did the half up, half down with 2 ponytails. I did a bun and a regular ponytail, and then a fancy ponytail. Okay, y'all, my camera is literally finna die. This is the final style. Alright y'all, so this is the last style. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and got some insight on how you can style your knotless box braids. Super cute, super easy, literally in under like 5 minutes or so. Very simple, very easy. I hope y'all surely did enjoy, and I will see y'all in my next video, okay? Which will be very soon. Bye.